Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou phone application. Also, before you try to reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 90, or rather not 90, what am I saying, above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so once your battery is at least above 30% and your watch is paired with your phone via the Haylou phone application, we can continue. And now we can open the application on our phone, the Haylou phone application. In the app, let's tap on Me, then select our Haylou Smart Watch from the list of my device. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Reset to Factory, tap on it, and then tap on Confirm to start the resetting process. And once you see the QR code on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.